Hello viewers, I'm Risipon and I'm here today to show you how to download KineMaster for your PC. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get all my notification. At first you have then from your laptop you open any kind of browser. Then you have to write in the search button BlueStack down or BlueStack for PC. Then download BlueStack for PC Windows 10, 7, 8. Check. Anyhow, you have to select one. Then download BlueStack. Then start. You have to click and start the download. You have to charge by other name AC Market for laptop or directly KineMaster for laptop. Then I have to run it. After installing, I have to say yes. Do you want to allow these apps to make change to your PC? We have to click yes. Then we have to wait for a while. Then we have to click next, install now. You have to wait in this sector 10 to 15 minutes because it takes a little bit long time. You have to wait. Then after watching this, you have to click do you want to allow these apps to make changes to your PC? Yes. Then in this sector you have to wait. Then BlueStack 4 and install now. You have to click install now, and you also wait here for 5 to 10 minutes. Then complete. After completing, you have to click complete. Then other in this sector also you have to wait. Then click let's go, and here Google account, you have to log in your Google account with your email. Then click next. Then you have to type here your password. Then after typing password, you have to click next. Then I agree and term and condition here. Then our Google Play Store is shown in the screen. Then after entering into Google Play, you just click KineMaster, and after clicking KineMaster, you have to install from Google Play Store. You have to install any kind of software like Android mobile phone or smartphone you do. Then after installing KineMaster video editor in your PC, you have to open the software. Here you have to wait for 5 or 3 minutes because it takes time. Then open, click open. The KineMaster picture is shown in the screen. Click allow. Then you have to select your proportions. Then click media and select your selected video or image. Here I do. You have to do like me. Then here I am writing about my channel. Subscribe my channel Risipon. Guys, you have to subscribe my channel Risipon. And if you like this video, just click the bell icon and subscribe me. Here in this way you have to download your KineMaster in your PC. Thank you for watching my video.